Get ready to be blown away by the incredible powers of a household staple you never knew existed. Today, we're uncovering the astonishing truth behind apple cider vinegar, from its ancient roots to its modern-day magic. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we reveal what apple cider vinegar can really do. Are you ready to uncover the astonishing secrets hidden within a humble kitchen staple? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of apple cider vinegar, revealing its incredible benefits and surprising uses that will leave you amazed. From ancient remedies to modern-day miracles, we'll explore the science behind this versatile liquid and why it deserves a spot in your pantry. Get ready for some aha moments as we unlock the power of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's commonly known, boasts a rich history dating back thousands of years. Used by ancient civilizations like the Babylonians and Egyptians, ACV was prized for its medicinal properties and culinary versatility. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, even prescribed it for various ailments. Fast forward to today, and ACV continues to be a popular natural remedy, gaining attention for its potential health benefits. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating origins of this age-old elixir. What makes apple cider vinegar a nutritional powerhouse? One of its key components is acetic acid, a natural byproduct of the fermentation process. Acetic acid is believed to be responsible for many of ACV's health benefits, including its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels, promote weight management, and improve digestion. Research suggests that ACV may also support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. We'll examine the scientific evidence behind these claims and discover how ACV can contribute to a healthier you. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. In this chapter, we're diving into the surprising ways apple cider vinegar can enhance your beauty routine and revolutionize your household chores. Did you know ACV can be used as a natural hair rinse for shine and a DIY facial toner? Its antibacterial properties make it a fantastic natural cleaning agent for surfaces in your kitchen and bathroom. We'll explore all these uses and more. Let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the bottle of ACV in the pantry. There are tons of claims about apple cider vinegar curing everything from chronic diseases to promoting instant weight loss. What does science actually say? We'll debunk common myths and separate fact from fiction, so you can make informed decisions about using ACV. Remember, I'm all about evidence-based health advice. So buckle up for a dose of reality. Ready to experience the benefits of apple cider vinegar? I'll share practical tips on how to safely and effectively incorporate it into your daily routine. From choosing the right type of ACV to understanding proper dosage, you'll learn how to maximize its potential. We'll also discuss potential side effects and how to avoid them, because your safety is always my top priority. Now let's hear from some real people who've experienced the benefits of apple cider vinegar firsthand. We've collected some incredible testimonials showing how ACV has helped people improve their digestion, manage their weight, and even clear up their skin. Remember, everyone's body is different, so results may vary. But these stories offer a glimpse into the potential of this amazing natural remedy. So is apple cider vinegar a miracle cure-all? No, not quite, but it's a powerful tool that can be incorporated into a healthy lifestyle. If you're considering adding ACV to your routine, remember to start slow, dilute it properly, and listen to your body. And, as always, it's best to talk to your doctor before making any major changes to your diet or health regimen. especially if you have underlying medical conditions. That's it for our deep dive into the world of apple cider vinegar. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health and wellness tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.